Meet India's first self-driving car. Bengaluru-based startup unveils -0 zPod. With the ability to scale up to level 5 autonomy capabilities, the vehicle, named zPod, can drive itself in all environmental and geographical constraints, company's co-founder Gagandeep Rihal announced. The platform also floated a white paper on nature-inspired AItechnology, claiming it as a novel approach to building generalized autonomous agents inspired by the physics-aware vision and the predictive decision-making capabilities of a human brain, making it efficient in handling real-world road scenarios. The company also plans expanding its autonomous vehicle trials in foreign markets with stable regulatory norms over the next 2 years, including public road trials. The company said autonomous vehicles can be used in several use cases, including deploying them for commuting in various campuses, including residential campuses, various institutes, and many other areas.